All right, we've got 930 opening range, very small. The RTH gap is essentially 40 pips or 40 points. It already hit midpoint here. Price since the 1 hour, since it's just been dropping. So it's going to be definitely something that we have to consider as well. So much bearish pressure in the market. As of right now, I don't have too much interest. I do have to see price move a bit more. We've got 10 a.m. news, red folder news, so most likely around there we'll take a trade. Something of interest on the daily is going to be this level right here, 18,800. It's going to be the next draw on sell side liquidity. It's going to be right there on the 15-minute chart. Currently, price is sitting in the BISI of the daily candle, which is marked here in blue on the top left. And what we're waiting for is to see if it's going to invert and push price lower. See if there's anything else here for our liking. Okay, the data is pretty skewed back there. Okay. So for today, that level is interesting. We'll have to see what's going to happen. Price is currently, or was before the open, bouncing around in the midnight opening range. This area marked in purple. Broke lower, touched it. We also have today's end dog above us as well. So there's a lot of support. So what I'm expecting is price to hold price at the lower end here. If it does break above, we might be pushing higher, but these levels right here are pretty strong for price to hold on the downside. But as of right now, price is kind of punching up and down here. We still don't have a first presentation for today. Just like that. Just quick long there. Nothing worth discussing. Let's see here. So price has pushed above the midnight opening range, the end dog of N12. Let's do this here. While we wait for price to do a bit more here. Let's go quick long off of this level right here when it rejected the midnight opening range. We'll see if price wants to respect this level and push higher. I might stop underneath the midnight opening range. Hopefully this holds and pushes price higher. It's also sitting on the lower half of the end dog as well. We were trading before 10 a.m. news, so we have a big Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. So price is rejecting this area nicely so far. If it leaves this gap open, it's going to act as a breakaway gap to the upside. Oh, this is the first presentation here as well. So let's mark that as first presentation. Come on, price. Keep pushing up here. We got relative equal highs forming above us on the 15-second. This might want to talk this in the future. So far, this price action is somewhat decent to the upside. It's 9:45 right now. For reject this area, I might scale in a bit more. Price right now is kind of moving sideways, time distortion. But see how it's going to react to this bearish fair value gap here on the 15-second, but it did reject the upper range of the midnight opening range nicely. There you go. This might be the push. We're halfway to target. Come on, a bit more. I'm rolling my stop right now to break even. Perfect. I'm just taking a quick long right now just to fill in one of my positions right now. We'll see if it hits target, just $80 here for my 150KK combine account. This needs to push a bit higher here. Come on, price. It might reverse from here, but we'll see. Hopefully pushes higher to 613. 88. All right. Okay. So let's wait for 10 o'clock news right now, and then we'll take a trade further. 70. Sorry, I'm not talking too much today. So price has taken buy side here at 8 o'clock. Relative equal highs. That was the target. And now price, we'll see what gets at 10 o'clock, how it uses this first presentation fair value gap, and see if price wants to drive lower or is that going to be it for the day. Price came up. I rejected this BISI here. I like how the bodies are sitting within the bottom half of the fair value gap. Yeah, I did. Wish me long. That's a little quick one for today. How you doing, Wish? News coming out in 5 minutes. So what can price do today? It's sitting in this daily BISI. It can possibly hunt this low here, right? Because we're so bearish. To try to catch the bottom here, I think that'd be silly. It's currently sitting in the upper half of it. Price came up, it took sell side, or it took buy side, and now it might drop lower. Some levels to watch out for would be this right here. We got this 1 hour buy side on the 1 hour BISI. Price just tapped into it and went long. And I want to see what's going to happen in 4 minutes here. Maybe with that momentum, might take another trade today. I'll try to finish today up. Hopefully I can hit 1K per account. Wish, did you manage to grab anything today? Not yet. Want to see if we can, yeah, we'll see in 2 minutes what news is going to do and then take that bias from there. But buy side has been taken, which is good. These are the lows after they open. This might be like an interim low. I might want to get targeted. And then if that gets targeted, then it'll be the midpoint of this BISI as a target and then pushing lower. But I still want to see this push lower. Hopefully it can break these levels, invert it, and then push lower. If it's going to go higher, where would it go? On the daily, that was the open. It took out yesterday's low, pushed higher. Like this is a level it can take. That's previous day low, or not yesterday's, but the day before that. So if it does push higher, this might be a target I might be aiming for, but we will have to wait and see here. I do want to see price go lower. Price is projecting this BISI nicely. The bodies aren't even closing into it. News coming out in 10 seconds. And there's the news. It looks like it's a push lower. Let's see how this first presentation acts as support. If price is gonna use this as support, or if it's gonna bounce off and go higher. So it touched yesterday's closing price. It bounced higher. On the 15-minute, we did have a buy side here that it took out, buy side imbalance. And it looks like price is pushing. It's most likely going to take these highs right here. Okay, just tag them. That was very quick. The 15-minute is looking very bullish at this point. If this 15-minute candle closes above this SIBI here marked in red, I would expect prices to go higher. But right now you can see it's chopping. It just took buy side. It bounced off of first presentation. A clear move for me would be if it breaks below this dark green box. That's when I'm going to be looking for shorts. But I do need to see a clear displacement below it, go into it, respect it, and then try to take it lower. I do want to take shorts for today. I'm not interested in longs at this point. Price is attempting to attack this first presentation for the first, second, third, fourth time right now on the 1 minute. Okay. Let me map this to here. So price officially broke below the first presentation here. Nice. It's most likely going to target 384 here. Now I want to see it come back here, test it, and then I'll take it short. I'm going to take a 1 micro short right now. I want to target 385. 385. Okay. Quick 100. I couldn't size it up in time. It's because my risk profile is messed up right now. Risk is 300, profit is 300. That's better. So it's a quick 1-to-1 here. So 2 for 2 today. Did this copy to my accounts? It did. Okay, good. And then what's price going to do now? That's a good question. Let's see. So there is a BISI here. Or a SIBI, sorry. I want to see how it's going to react to that. And if it's going to try to push another leg lower. The next kind of level that I would be interested in is this level right here. This is this consequent approachment of the 1 hour fair value gap. And with this kind of momentum, this market structure shift to the upside, I do want to see this acting as support and pushing price lower, or resistance and pushing price lower. So let's see how it's going to act in this area here. Right now it's attempting to dig into the RTH gap. It's currently in the end dog for today. It would be funny if it just decided to tap this liquidity and just push higher up again. We do want to see how it's going to respect this area here. So in 20 seconds, we'll see how it closes. If it closes above it, then the bias for going short weakens by a lot. Thanks, Wish. I don't like how price dug so deep into the premium area of the first presentation here. Like, it's nice to see that's being respected. It just means that it's not as strong as I'd want it to be. Like, you'd want price to kind of tap into this pink box, don't surpass that midpoint and just drop lower. But this here it's fickle behavior. So it's not like a high probability rejection of it. I'm going to try my luck and try to take one more position if something allows me to. It's 10:07 right now. Post news. Do we have any more news for today? Let's see. Forex Factory. No, nothing. Trump's speaking today again. Hopefully he pumps up crypto. Crypto had a massive dump in the past couple of days. And it looks like price is trying to break above this first presentation. Where's the first presentation on the 15-second? Oh, it's a bit lower. Okay, not relevant. Okay, bodies are staying right now within the first presentation. But again, I'm not too crazy about this price action. We also have the midnight opening range here as well. So if it breaks all these levels and goes to the upside, what can price do? At this point, it's like a 50-50. Look at the 50-minute candle and how it's going to close. It wicked essentially buy side and sell side. See, so I broke this area. It's pushing higher now. We do have this acted as an inversion here. We can mark that as yellow. And right now it's digging into, there's a BISI here on the 1 minute. It looks like it's just going to blast right through it. Am I interested in the longs here? No, I'm not. This is not good price action. So bodies are staying within this SIBI here. Let's just mark it out so you guys can see what I'm looking at. A lot of colors here, I know. But again, I'm just trying to figure out a bias for price right now. And I'm probably going to close the stream down in 5 minutes. If I don't see anything clear or cut, or even like a quick scalp that I can take, call it a day. To be honest, guys, these trading conditions aren't the best. Like, there's nothing here I like. Like, do you think price is going to hit these highs here? It could possibly. Like, it could have went into this 1 hour BISI, popped higher, and it's going to be grabbing these prices. But just how I'm seeing it, respecting all these key levels here, which is the RTH gap, the midnight opening range, the end dog, the first presentation, all of this here, like these 70 points of PDAs that are just stacked. Price, technically, it should bounce off of it and go in one direction versus the other. If it kind of hovers like this around it, like he just keeps breaking it back and forth, I wouldn't see any much value in it. Like right now, it's retesting the first presentation. And if it breaks through it, would I be comfortable taking a short? Probably not. There's nothing here. Let's see on the 5 minute here. 5 minute looks really messy too. It's just consolidating sideways. If price were to reverse, what would happen right now to the upside? It's rejecting a lot of key levels right now, but it could keep going lower. So again, nothing valid here for taking a trade. It's like if it were to go up, it should do it right now within these 70 pips of price action or points. It's going to be touching this inversion fair value gap once again. Will I be trading the lunchtime macro? No, because the morning profile didn't allow for such price action to unfold. And usually if you are trading from, I'll probably say like 10:30 to 12:30, you do want to see a one-sided price run in the morning, which you will be looking for a reversal right after. So price rejected the SIBI. It's rejecting all of these PDAs right here. The 15-minute looks brutal. The 5-minute looks brutal too. It's choppiness. I wonder if is this considered seek and destroy? Maybe, because it's constantly taking highs and lows, right? Right, it finally broke below the first presentation here. Remember, my overall bias is short for today. It's been short for the past 2 weeks, and if it's short for one more day, I wouldn't be surprised. So let's see what price is going to do here. So these PD arrays I can get rid of. We got what do we have here? A bullish PDA as well that it's currently respecting. So price is currently sitting at this inversion here. It rejected the lower half of the RTH gap, the bottom of the first presentation. Again, it's in so many support and resistance levels here that price right now I think is just doing a whole bunch of nothing. You can see this here has been rejected nicely right now. But again, can this next candle just plummet lower? It can. Nothing is clear here. What this might be doing is it might be consolidating for a push higher or lower, because that's what usually price does, right? The power of 3. Manipulation, consolidation, and then the final distribution to the side. But again, it's no clear direction from a 1 hour, a 15 minute, a 1 minute, any time frame right now. I have no bias. I scalped that short on the 32nd. What time, wish me well? Did you short it? Like from up here? Like around 10:10? That might be the confirmation there that it might go shorter. Let's see here. It finally broke below all these levels that it consolidated in. But like if I was trading this really choppy price action right now, 10-12. Oh, nice. That's definitely a quick short. I can't even get like a proper risk here, guys. Like if I were to enter right now and enter these lows, like it's not even a 1-to-1. I do think price is going to shoot down from here though, based on kind of this PA right before us. But I just don't see a 1RR on it. There's no PD arrays or fair value gaps that formed recently. It is consolidating. If you guys are enjoying the stream, feel free to drop a like. It looks like don't know. I don't know. Wish me well. I'm not feeling shorts right now. Even though I think it's going to go short, I'm not feeling them. Can't even get like there's this level here that we can short from on the 15 second. It's hovering around the RTH low, the gap of today. Yeah, look at that. It's random price action, shooting back up into the range. So guys, I think for today, I'm call it a day. I'm going to lock my accounts, call it a day, or I might actually trade the afternoon session. We'll see, because the afternoons recently have been really clean, but this is not tradable. And on that note, I'll catch you guys some other time. So Wish, if you're still on it, see ya, buddy. And for the rest of you, I'll catch you later. Bye for now.